All right, so it is about 11:45 Central Standard Time on the north side of Dauphin Island, Alabama, and I am looking to my due north to the Mobile, Alabama area. I did my first tropical update yesterday afternoon rather, at about 5:45 Central Standard Time, just to mention that we had a tropical depression off to our east, in our southeast rather, in the central eastern Gulf of Mexico. So I got up this morning, went out, exercised, got some tennis in, came home and noticed that our tide was very high. So you can see that the southern flow and the low pressure in the Gulf has pushed the tide up. Generally, these bulkheads are about 2 feet above water, depending on the tide, obviously. And it's up rather high. It's up to the bulkhead on the other side. It's over the bulkhead on this side. We had this bulkhead put in not too long ago, otherwise it would be over our other one. So we have got a nice squall moving in, which would have wrapped up around the low center of some type of weak circulation, brought it up and around, and then coming back down from north to south. So it is hot. There's a lot of energy. You can feel it, and we have a squall, and I took a picture of it and have gotten some lightning alerts already on my screen, on my phone facing me, doing this update. So I'm going to set up, and I know it looks beautiful here, but if you come over here, the rain just started, and it was a pretty pretty fast moving squall. So I think all in all, it should happen relatively quickly. I think you can hear the thunder cracking, and the sky is ominous in that direction. Tropical season, Atlantic Basin, Gulf of Mexico 2018 has arrived. Garden update, by the way. I planted that garden here this spring. It's coming up nicely. Sunflowers, wildflowers, marigold. So we're looking pretty well. Anyway, so again, this is a squall that I watched from some slow circulation on a low pressure system in the Gulf. Got some alerts about it, turned on the radar, and there it was. So here we are. I am again facing my north, and the rain just picked up. It looks like it's moving at about 13 miles an hour from our north to south. So we would be on the left side or the west side of that point of circulation. I'm gonna go back upstairs. The rain's picking up. And we're gonna see if we can let this thing roll on in. See what happens with it. It's definitely hot. So the rain has just begun to fall. The clouds have started to move in overhead. Again, it's nothing intense. Oh, that was a nice lightning strike. Nothing intense. Well, I think I spoke a little too soon. That was a pretty close lightning strike. I just looked at the radar. It looks like the really strong center of this small squall is just off to my west. So we're going to see what happens. It's been about 5 minutes or so, give or take, since I started the video, and it's moved in relatively quickly. I would think that within the next minute or two, based upon where the center is, we should hear and see some good lightning. But I don't know if it'll drop right on the house. Hopefully we get some good energy. It's hot. I think it has a little potential for a quick, nice little weather event. So here we go. Quick look at the sky. Goes from blue to pretty ominous real quick. A quick look again at the high water level, and the rain has just started to drop, so I'll show you that it's nothing intense at this point. You can see the rain. We'll see how hard it picks up. Fish just jumped. It's the sky as it moves in. So again, we are a long way from anything to do with this minor tropical disturbance in the central or the northeastern central part of the Gulf of Mexico. I think most of the rain is South Carolina at the east coast of Florida, and it's wrapping around Panama City area, Apalachicola, and this is again is just a north to south squall off of the far side or outside part of that circle. So we're lucky to get a little weather off of it. We have some rain intensity picking up. Little view of the garden I planted this spring. Hopefully it gets some nice needed rain there. It's looking pretty good. Sunflower, hello. Looking pretty good over here. Put some rocks in over here. Looks pretty good. So we're doing all right. Rain is picking up. I'm gonna head for some cover. Be right back. So the rain intensity has picked up. You can see now that the clouds above me are definitely dropping some precipitation. Off to my east, it's blue skies. Far to my west, it's blue skies. So it's just a small squall, but I think we've been lucky enough to have it come almost over the house, just a little bit to my west. Much needed rain for the garden though. See what happens. So as you can see, the rain intensity's picked up. Come back out to the water as a matter of measure. Okay. So as you can see, again, this is just a little squall, or was a little squall, due to a depression a long ways from here. I have blue skies to my north and to my west, and I have very dark clouds to my east and northeast. So I'm gonna end it here for now. I really enjoy doing these videos. I'll do them as much as I can this year. If we get any good weather, I'll make sure I do it again. But I could be here probably for the next few days, just updating with small little squalls and small little squalls. I think basically we've seen what I'm going to get here in terms of the next couple days with the disturbance. So hey, click a like below, subscribe below. I really enjoy doing these weather videos. They're fun for me. It's really something I enjoy. So thanks again for watching, and watch the skies, stay safe, stay prepared, and thanks again. Take care. See you later. Ending look at the sky to my, again, that is my north. Okay? That is my west. That is my south. You can see it's beautiful blue skies that way. The garden got a good taste of some precipitation, so we thank Mr. Storm for that. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. Have a good one. Click a like below. Subscribe below. And thanks again. See ya. From everyone here at 5KTennis, thank you.